What's up everyone, we are back at West Midlands Airsoft High Command, although as you all know, West Midlands Airsoft are moving site now. They've been putting some videos up on their YouTube channel, go check them out. New site is looking good. This will probably be the last time you ever see this old site now, because this is the final footage of the final game day that I've got. Let's just get into it. This is a regular game of team deathmatch. I'm hoping to get some new footage soon of the new site. They're aiming to get it up and open around the end of April. April the 18th is when they're saying, so hopefully we'll get some good footage from that when it's up and running, but let's get into it.
Let's do this.
Hit. No. Other side of the brick archway on the left. Yeah, no, don't do. Hey, good shot. How close? How close? Push, push, push. Hey, it's up. Oh, thank you. In that window, in the black room opposite. You got eyes on that window? You know the black room opposite? Yeah, in the window on the left. Done. He's down, he's down, he's down. And
We're switching sides.
yellow team, push up. Yellow team, push up. Hit. Right, that one in it. Oh. No. Yeah. With you then. Yeah. Good shot, good shot. In the red room, in the red room. They're in the red room. Can't see that one. You got eyes on that window? down, one down. Oh. Hey! Hey! Deploy up. Deploy up, deploy up. Halfway. About. Is that friendly in this room? We got friendly in there. One down, one down. Last mag. Hey, good shot, good shot. Alright. Thank you. Oh. One down, one down. Two down, two down, two down. Yeah, there's another one on the right in that room opposite. I'm out. I'm out.